Hello, everyone. Blake is here. I hope you all are good. Today, I'm going to read Emma's School Life. Stay with me to learn English. Emma loves going to school. Her school is a bright, cheerful place with red bricks, big windows, and a playground full of colorful equipment. Every morning, Emma walks to the bus stop with her best friend, Lily. They hold hands, skipping along the sidewalk, their backpacks bouncing. The bus ride is always fun. Emma sits by the window, watching houses, trees, and busy streets pass by. She and Lily play little games on the way, like guessing the colors of the next car or counting the birds they see. When the bus stops in front of the school, Emma feels a rush of excitement. She jumps off the bus and heads straight to her classroom. Her teacher, Miss Rose, is already there, greeting every student with a warm smile. "Good morning, Emma," she says. Emma smiles back and says, "Good morning, Miss Rose." The classroom is bright and welcoming. There are colorful posters on the walls, and the desks are neatly arranged. Emma sits at her desk, which has her name written on a little card. She opens her backpack and takes out her notebook, pencil, and English book. Today is going to be a busy day. The first class is math. Emma enjoys math because it feels like solving puzzles. Miss Rose writes problems on the board, and Emma quickly starts working on them. She likes how numbers fit together, and when she gets an answer right, she feels a little spark of joy. Miss Rose often gives Emma a thumbs up, which makes her even happier. After math, it is time for English class. Emma loves English because she learns new words every day. Today, they are reading a story about animals. Miss Rose reads aloud, using funny voices for the characters, and all the kids laugh. Emma follows along in her book, tracing the words with her finger. When Miss Rose asks questions, Emma eagerly raises her hand. She loves sharing her thoughts and practicing her English. In English class, they often play learning games. Miss Rose uses flashcards with pictures and words. Emma matches them quickly and helps her classmates. They also do fun exercises like filling in the blanks and matching words to pictures. Miss Rose encourages everyone to speak English, even if they make mistakes. Emma feels more confident each day. Emma has a special English workbook. She practices writing letters and small sentences. She enjoys coloring the pictures in the book and repeating the new words aloud. Miss Rose often gives them small assignments, like describing their favorite toy or drawing and labeling their family members. Emma loves these tasks and completes them with care. During break time, Emma continues to practice English. She and her friends play a game called English Only. They try to speak only in English for 10 minutes. Whoever uses the most English words wins. Sometimes they make silly mistakes, but they always laugh and learn from them. Emma finds it fun and helpful. Next is science class. Today, they are learning about plants. The teacher brings in real plants and lets everyone touch the leaves. Emma is fascinated. She learns how plants need sunlight, water, and soil to grow. The teacher even shows them how to plant seeds in a little pot. Emma carefully plants her seed, adding a bit of water. She hopes it will grow into a big green plant. Lunchtime is always fun. Emma sits with Lily and Tom, her other good friends. They share their lunches and talk about their favorite cartoons. Emma has a sandwich, some apple slices, and a cookie. Tom shares his grapes, and Lily offers some of her crackers. They laugh and enjoy their break under the big tree in the schoolyard. Emma loves these moments with her friends. After lunch, it is time for art class. Emma loves art. She likes drawing, coloring, and making things with her hands. Today, they are painting. Emma decides to paint a picture of Snow, her fluffy white cat. She uses white, green, and a little pink for the nose. When she finishes, she shows it to Miss Rose, who smiles and says, "What a beautiful painting, Emma." Emma beams with pride. Recess is always full of energy. Emma and her friends run to the playground. They climb, swing, and play tag. Emma's favorite is the swings. She feels like she is flying, with the wind in her hair and her feet reaching for the sky. Sometimes they play games like hide and seek or hopscotch. Emma loves how free and fun it feels to play with her friends. In the afternoon, they have a special music class. The music teacher, Mr. Lee, plays the guitar. He teaches them a simple song, and they all sing along. Emma loves singing. Her voice blends with her classmates, and the room fills with music. Mr. Lee lets them try different instruments. Emma picks up a small drum and taps along to the beat. She feels the rhythm and enjoys every moment. As the school day ends, Miss Rose gathers everyone on the carpet for story time. She reads a story about a brave little mouse who goes on an adventure. Emma listens closely, imagining herself in the story. She loves how stories can take her to new places and let her meet new characters. When the bell rings, Emma packs her things. She says goodbye to her friends and walks to the bus with Lily. They talk about their favorite parts of the day. Emma loved English class the most. She cannot wait to practice her new words at home. On the bus, Emma looks out the window, still thinking about the little mouse from the story. When Emma gets home, she tells her mom all about her day. She talks about math, English, and the fun games they played. She even teaches her mom the song they learned in music class. Her mom listens with a big smile, proud of Emma's love for learning. Emma sits down with her English notebook in the evening. She practices her words, saying them out loud. She also draws pictures of her school day. She draws her friends, Miss Rose, and even the little mouse from the story. She feels happy and content. Before bed, Emma thinks about all the things she learnt. She knows every day at school brings new adventures. She closes her eyes and dreams of more fun, of singing, learning, and playing with her friends. Emma knows that school is not just about learning from books, but also about sharing, laughing, and growing. She is ready for another day of fun and learning, and her dreams are filled with joy. If you like my video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.